Good morning. What a beautiful morning. Nice and warm. Sun's out. And I've got a Ford S-Maxing. Customers taken it into Ford twice. They said there's nothing wrong with it. I don't know if they didn't have time to look at it, or they didn't want to get involved in it, or what. I don't know. But anyway, she rung us up to see if we could have a nose at it. So what's happening is she goes to lock the car. All three doors lock, but the driver's one don't. And then when she locks the driver's door, the other ones all lock, but the back door don't lock. So we've got lots of things going on here. And then the electric windows don't work on this side either. So I don't know if this is two sort of separate faults here and there, or we could be down to one. So this is what I've got on the old scanner. Let's go in out. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go into instrument panel first. I know it's not nothing to do with the doors, but I found this interesting, where the instrument panel was not talking. Oh, hold on, Trev. Should we put the ignition on? Here we go. So that wasn't what I had. So it recodes again because I've just turned the old ignition on, and it came up with, you watch, it's going to tell me lies, and I'm going to have to edit this out. And that's better. Right, lost communication with door module, lost communication with door module. But the door module's doing absolutely nothing. These, not interested. That might be interesting later on, but we'll have to nose at that later, because I honestly don't know. So what we'll have to do now is, see, I've got passion. So if we have a look here, we got body control module. Now let's have a look at that one. That one's interests me as well. But the one thing I do notice is that there's something not at the party, and the actual module that's not at the party is the driver's door module. So just let this thing go off. It's just doing its tests and everything just to make sure everything's checked, and then we can talk to it. Come on, baby. Oh, let's have another go at it and just make sure it's working. Right, so in the body control module, we've got, so rear door double locking motor. So this might be a different problem, but we'll have to wait and see on that. But this is the one that's getting me. Driver's door, I've lost communication from the body control module. So let's escape from there, and then we're going to go out of here. Because what I want to do is I want something to join the party. What should be in the party? Driver's door module. That should be in here. And it comes up. I can't talk to it. So I think we've got a bit of communication problem, or a power problem, or other problems. But let's think about it. Electric windows don't work. We've got central locking not working. So what I did is I thought, well, let's have a look. Good old broken wires. So this is what I found. So what I'm going to do is I've got to check this out first before. So I thought I'd show you this before I go in and repair it. But this was the first thing. It might not be this, but I'm going to say you're working round, but it could be running everything in the car. And this is what I found. So this is the driver's door, and oh dear, that pin looks as though it's broken. So I'm going to start with that, and then I'll carry on afterwards and see what happens. But that could be all the problem is. So catch you soon. You enjoy the weather. It's beautiful, isn't it, eh? I love it. The winter, Christ, I'm like the Incredible Hulk. I've got coats on coats on coats and heaters everywhere. Anyway, stop boring you. Let me get on and get this fixed. Cheers, bye. Hi, I'm back. Anyway, I'll fix that little problem in the door there. As I say, it's always good to do your visuals first. Have a good look round before you start going into communication faults. If you ain't got power or grounds, you're knackered. It ain't going to work. So let's have a quick look at what we got going on here now. And as I say, I've just done a quick raise all the codes, and we'll get rid of all these. So what was happening was electric windows weren't working, so as you can see, that one is, and oh yeah, back one weren't working. Yeah, that one works as well, and the other thing was central locking wasn't working. So as you can see, both doors open like so. Press the button and that one's locked, that one's locked, and we'll open this one again. That opens, and cool, that one opens as well. Surprising what 12 volts do for you, innit? Does it for me all the time. Right, so let's have a little look at my my scanner and see what we got. So this is what we got. We've got no fault codes at all now. Nothing in the instrument panel. Obviously I would say that powertrain one's going to come back, but you remember the door, driver's door, that one there you couldn't even get up, but she's fine. Have a quick look in there, see what we got going on. Come on baby, read the codes, and as I say, I can talk to it now. And all I did was put 12 volts to it, because that's what the wire was that goes to that door. Oh, hold on, idiot here, and put the key in the flaming ignition, but it tells me I've got no codes. So these doors were fine, that door was fine, they locked, electric windows worked, everything. So that's my fix. And as I say, it went into Ford's twice. I don't know if they didn't have the mechanics there, or they didn't have the right guys there, or what, but as I say, there it was. So simple day on a beautiful warm day. I absolutely love it. Anyway, I'm going to leave you here. Nice quick one, nice quick fix, and customer's going to be smiling at me now, isn't she? You have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.